Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For this video I did a twist out tutorial. I actually used a brand new product that I've never used before. I usually use SheaMoisture hair milk, SheaMoisture smoothie, and my Argan Oil Eco Styler gel, but this time I decided to try something different. So I switched out my SheaMoisture smoothie for the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. I really just wanted to try something new. So this is going to be like a mini review plus a tutorial. It looks like this. I don't know if y'all can really see that. It's like a souffle type of texture. It's kind of weird, but it smells really good. It smells just like their coconut co-wash, if you've ever tried that. As far as how it did, my hair is super defined. It's very soft. I noticed that it has a stronger hold than the SheaMoisture smoothie, which is fine. You just won't need to use as much gel with it. So I'm just going to read the container for you guys. It says, Twist Defining Cream for Shiny Smooth Twists and Twist Outs. It's made with sunflower oil, castor oil, amla, sugar beetroot, and pitosterols. And again, it's by As I Am. It's for beautiful twist out, braid out, and bantu knot out styles. Highly defined, shiny, and moisturized. So I will say that that seems to be pretty true. It is very defined. It is pretty shiny and moisturized. It feels very soft. So that is something that I like a whole lot. So overall, I'm very happy with my results. These are pretty much the same results that I get every time that I do my twist out. So if you want to see the technique that I use, then just keep on watching. The first thing that I do is separate my hair into 4 sections. Starting on this back section, I'm just going to go in with some water and rub it through. So the first product that I start out with is the SheaMoisture Curl and Style Milk. I just use this as my foundation for every one of my styles. So I just smooth this product through the entire back section. Next, I go in with smaller sections and I add the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. As I'm applying this product, I'm also finger detangling. The final product that I use is the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. Once all the products have been applied and I've smoothed them all through, I start to twist. just move on to the next section and I repeat the same steps. I did 4 twists in each back section and 3 twists in each front section. So that brings me to a total of 14 twists for this twist out. The next morning, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of oil on my hands and I'm just going to separate each twist very carefully. The key to pop and twist out is to make sure that you separate your hair very gently. After you've untwisted all of the twists, you just want to go in and separate your hair. Try to just let your hair separate naturally to avoid a whole lot of frizz. I really hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.